Hello everyone, I am Surjit Kumar, TGT English from Kendri Vidyalaya, Suranusi, Jalandhar. Dear student, today I am taking very important question from the lesson The Lost Child. The Lost Child. These are the long answer type question, and we can say value based question. So for the answer of such type of question, you can learn the summary of the lesson. You can answer these type of question with the help of summary of the lesson. So question is, how was the child separated from the parents? Another question may be, how was the child lost? These two questions are different, but the answer will be same. We can answer the question with the help of the summary. So I am repeating these two questions. Number one question is, how was the child lost? Second question is, how was the child separated from his parents? Two questions, but the answer will be same. With the help of the summary, you can answer the question very nicely. Now, with the help of the summary, you know the child went to the spring fair. He was running with the parents. So from the beginning to the end, we found the child is very much happy and in high spirit. So with the help of the summary, I am going to tell you the answer of the question. That is the question. Two questions are there and answer will be the same. Only one answer. Now come to the answer. The question is how was the child lost? How was the child lost? For the answer of this question, you can divide the answer in three parts. Part A, that is attraction of the child. Part B, that is great rush. Part C, that is the parents. These three things are the main cause of the loss of the child. Now we will discuss these 3 points in detail. How was the child lost? The first cause of his loss was attraction of the child. First one is attraction of the child. Attraction of the child. It is natural. The children are always attracted by beautiful, new and colorful things. You know, it was spring fair. All people were going to it. Some were riding on horses. Some were going in the bullock cart, and this child was walking with his parents. On the way to the fair, the child saw the flower of mustard in the field. He was attracted by the flower. He wanted to collect the petals of the flower. Then he was also running behind the dragonflies. His parents were getting angry, they were waiting, they were stopping and guiding the child. When on the way, the child was also attracted by the sweet shops. The sweet meat sellers were attracting the people. The shops were decorated with all types of sweets like gulab jamun, rasgulla, and barfi. The child was attracted towards these sweets and he wanted to eat barfi because barfi was his favorite sweet. Then his demand was refused by the parents. Now the child was again attracted towards the flower. A flower seller was selling gulmohar and garlands of the flower. The child bent near the basket of the flower. He wanted a garland, but the parents again refused to buy these garlands. Then the child was going further, but he was again and again looking at the new and beautiful things. Then we will see the child was attracted again towards the balloons. The balloon sellers were selling all colors of balloons. The balloons looked beautiful. The child was attracted towards the colorful and beautiful balloons. Then he wanted to buy these balloons, but he knew his parents would not allow him. Then he went further and he saw a snake charmer. The snake charmer was playing flute to the snakes. He went near the snake and his parents did not allow him to stay there for any more. Then he went further and he saw a roundabout. There were many people, children, women and men. They were enjoying the ride of the merry-go-round. The child wanted to enjoy the ride of this merry-go-round. Then he saw and he called his parents. He called his mother, he called his father to allow him to have a chance of ride. The child saw various colors of balloon and he wanted to buy these colorful and beautiful balloon, but he knew his parents would not allow him. Then he went further. He saw a snake charmer. The snake charmer was playing flute to the snake. He went near the charmer, but his parents did not allow him to stay there anymore. Then they went further and the child was attracted towards the merry-go-round and he wanted to have a ride on it. The child saw many people, children, women and the men, they were enjoying the ride. He also wanted to enjoy the ride and he called his mother, he called his father, but there was no reply of his call and the child found he was alone. Now that at this point the child was lost. That is only due to the attraction of the child. He was attracted again and again towards these new, beautiful and wonderful things. So it was the attraction of the child. Due to this, the child was lost. Now, second reason of the loss of the child, that is, great rush. Another reason is the great rush. We have already discussed many people, you can say all people were going to the fair. It was spring fair and all were going there. So on the way we saw number of shops, people were going, some were going on horses, some were going in bullock cart and some were walking. There was a great rush on the way to the fair, and when the parents and the child reached the fair place, it was a great rush of shopkeepers, great rush of the people, old, young and children. So great rush is also a cause of the loss of the child. Clear? It then another important cause, that is the parents himself, the negligence of the parents. The third reason is the negligence of the parents. Negligence of the parents. There is no doubt the parents were always careful. They were waiting and waiting for the child. On the way they were stopping, and in the midst of the fair they were calling the child again and again. But there is one point, the parents must hold the child's arm all the time. But it was not possible. So parents were the main cause of the loss of the child. For a while they neglected their child and the child lost in the fair. So dear student, these three reasons are the causes, these 3 points are the causes of the loss of the child. One is, we have already discussed, first one is the attraction of the child, second one is the great rush, and third one is negligence of the parents. But the parents are always careful. They are calling, they are stopping, they are advising the child, but for a single moment they neglected the child and the child was lost. Dear student, the question will also arise, how was the child separated from his parents? So second question is, how was the child separated from his parents? How was the child separated from his parents? Clear? How was the child lost? How was the child separated from his parents? Then we can answer these questions by covering these 3 points. I am also repeating. The first point is attraction of the child. The another point is the great rush, and third one is negligence of the parents. Clear? So these such type of questions are asked in the examination. These questions are asked value based question. Thank you. Have a nice day.